Prices are rising, jobs no longer guarantee stability, and this pressure is felt by every working Pakistani today. Ignoring this reality is no longer an option. For years, I have said one simple thing. Relying on a single source of income is a strategic mistake in modern conditions. Discipline, structure, and correct systems are what create stability. That is why part of my personal income has never depended on position or salary alone, but on structured investment mechanisms that work automatically, without emotion, noise, or speculation. The same principles were used to build Prosperity Pakistan. Prosperity Pakistan is a national investment platform designed for ordinary citizens, not elites. It works simply. You enter the system with a controlled amount, 70,000 rupee, and the mechanism activates automatically. No experience is required, no time is wasted, no manual decisions are needed. Once the system is running, it can generate up to 280,000 rupee in the first week. It is important to understand this clearly. Programs like this are never open to the entire population at once. They operate for those who act early and follow instructions. That is why access is limited. If you are hearing this now, it means your entry is still possible. The difference between those already receiving income and those still waiting is not luck, education, or connections. It is one decision. The first deposit, 70,000 rupee, is not a risk, it is the step that activates the system. Every delay has a cost. Prices continue to rise, while inactive money loses value. Decisions made today define your financial position in the coming days. If you are ready to act, make the first deposit and allow the system to begin working for you. Prosperity Pakistan is built on order, discipline, and results. The first step is your